welcome back to another Techtorial video. This series will show you how to use and navigate through Google Slides effectively. The first video will show you the basics of Google Slides. First of all, we will explain the front page of Google Slides. The blank option here allows you to create your own presentations from scratch. Next to the blank option are the various templates available for you to choose. Below that, you can see your recent presentations. This is where you will find your previous slides. This will be empty for those who have not made any slides previously. Let us finally create a presentation. After clicking on the blank option, you will be greeted with this screen. Why don't we add a title? After adding your title, you can then edit it. To edit a text, all you need to do is to highlight it. First, let us change the font, shall we? By clicking this bar here, you are able to choose which font you want to use. Another thing you can do is change the color of the text by clicking the A with an underline. The line under the A will also change colors to the same color as the text. Next to the A, you will see options for bold, italics, and underlined text. An important part of presentations is presenting it. We will now show you how to animate your slides. First, we will start by animating the text. Clicking on three dots here, followed by clicking animate, then highlighting the text you want to animate. Then clicking on the arrow here to open up more options. Clicking on this box will show you all the animations available. You may choose any one of them, but for this example, we will pick fly from the left. Next, the box under it decides when the animation will happen, and the slider below that decides the speed of the animation. Finally, we have backgrounds. Before we can get started, we must first clean up after ourselves by clicking this button here to close the Animations tab. Now, we can finally get started by pressing the Backgrounds button found here. After clicking it, this menu will show up. You can either have a simple color as your background or an image. By clicking on Choose Image, you'll be greeted with multiple options for inserting an image. Upload is for when you have an image in your computer. Camera will use your camera. By URL allows you to copy-paste the URL of an image from the internet. Photos uses the Google Photos app. Google Drive uses your Google Drive files. And Google Image Search allows you to search for the desired image right from the tab. For this example, we will use the upload option. After getting the desired image, press Done to see the fruits of your labor. That will be it for this tutorial. There will be a part 2 to this, so we will see you then. We hope you enjoy watching this video and hope to see you in part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.